An element is a substance that cannot be broken down any more than it is. These gummy bears are elements because they cannot be broken down any more than they already are. A compound is two or more different elements chemically bonded. These gummy bears are examples of compounds because they can be broken down and they are made of two or more elements. A heterogeneous mixture is an unevenly composed mixture. These gummy bears are an example of a homogeneous mixture because they are unevenly mixed and they can be picked apart by non-chemical means. A homogeneous mixture is a completely uniform or mixed mixture. These gummy bears are an example of a homogeneous mixture because they are uniformly mixed and they can be picked apart by non-chemical means. In a solid, particles are tightly packed and there's not very much movement, and the solid has its own volume and its own shape. These gummy bears are a solid because they retain their shape inside of the container. In a liquid, particles are closely packed and there is some movement. And a liquid has its own volume, but it does not take its own shape, but takes the shape of the container that it's in. These gummy bears are an example of a liquid because they take the shape of the container they are in. In a gas, particles stay as far apart as they can, and there's lots of movement. A gas does not have its own shape nor its own volume. These gummy bears are an example of a gas because they stay as far as they can away from each other in this closed container.